how do we go ahead and do this 10x content speed? Well, typically, if you had a set of quotes and you wanted to go over to Canva, you might come over here, and if you're pretty quick, you could use a couple keystrokes on your keyboard, like you see here, and what is it, edit? Yeah, you can go to copy. So you see there's a command here that I'm able to do. If you're on Windows, it'll say like Control C or something like that. And I can flip it over. But that still takes forever. So what I'm going to show you is Canva has bulk upload. What I'm here to show you is Canva has bulk upload. So let's do this 100 miles an hour so I can create a quick little clip of this. And this is how it goes. Create your spreadsheet with your favorite content. Then hop over to Canva where you have a single design set up. Once you do that, you'll click this button over here for bulk create and then upload a CSV file. You'll get your CSV file from your spreadsheet, just file export, download in this case, to CSV. So now that I've done this, it'll give me a location. I'm going to go ahead and just save that in my downloads folder. And you can see here, hit upload CSV. Back to our downloads folder in this case. And I'm just gonna grab that file. Now here it gives me different columns. So I'm using the columns for different things. In this case, I'm using the column for the caption that I'm gonna add on Instagram. But the quote is what I want on the image. So I'm gonna go ahead and click where I want that quote to appear. I'm gonna right click here and then connect data. And the data is the one that you see here where it holds the quote. And there we are, fairly simple. I'm gonna place this right here in the center, hit continue. Here's every line that was on my spreadsheet and it'll pop a new window and generate all 80 posts for us. So now as I go through the week and I'm creating a reel about a quote on line 32 and I'm talking about something that's going on, like in this case, content creation, I can grab that image to go with my content, whether it's in my blog, the email newsletter, whatever. I went ahead and planned out 80 days worth of quotes, which I do a quote about once every 4 days. So about a year's worth of quotes. And here we are. This will load up here about as soon as my computer can handle it. And I've actually done this in one that'll let me animate, but you don't have to do that. Any image will work. Here we are. It's created all those images from the spreadsheet. So ta-da, that's how we're going to 10x that content creation speed.